Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to crochet this strawberry keychain. So let's get started. We are going to start with a magic ring. To make a magic ring, I'll wrap the yarn around my two fingers like this, and then we'll take this out. Then insert your hook into the ring, grab this yarn and pull it to this side. Hold it like this. Then yarn over and pull through the loop. So here is our magic ring. Now into this ring we are going to make 6 single crochets. Insert your hook into the ring, pull up a loop, you have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Like this, make total of 6 single crochets. After completing the round, I am going to pull this loose end and close the ring. Now into the first stitch we are going to make slip stitch. This is my first stitch. Into this I'll make slip stitch. Pull through it and pull through loop on your hook. To start the second row, I'm going to make one chain, and then into the first stitch I'm going to make one single crochet. So insert your hook into the first stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Now I'm going to mark this stitch. Then into the next stitch we're going to make an increase, that is 2 single crochets into the same stitch. So this is my next stitch. Into that I'm going to make 2 single crochets. Again repeat the same thing. Into the next stitch make 1 single crochet, then into the next stitch make an increase. After completing the round, remove the marker and make slip stitch. Start the next round. I'm going to make one chain, and now in this round we are going to make 2 single crochets and then one increase. So into the first stitch make 1 single crochet, mark the stitch. Into the next stitch make 1 more single crochet, and then into the next stitch make 2 single crochets. That is an increase. Like this, complete the whole round. After completing the round, remove the marker and make slip stitch. Now to start round 4, I'm going to make one chain. We'll make 3 single crochets and then one increase. Mark the stitch. Into the next stitch we'll make one increase. After completing the round, remove the marker and make slip stitch. Start round 5, we're going to chain 1, and then in this round we're going to make 4 single crochets and then one increase. Then I'm going to mark this stitch. Into the next stitch we'll make one increase. Just like this, complete the whole round. After completing a round, remove the marker and make slip stitch. To start round 6, I'm going to make one chain. Then in this round we're going to make 5 single crochets and then one increase. Then into the next stitch we'll make an increase. Just like this, complete the whole round. Once you complete the round, make slip stitch into the first stitch. In this round we're going to make one chain, and then we'll make 2 single crochets and then one increase. Into the next stitch make 1 single crochet, Then into the next stitch make one increase. Remove the marker and make slip stitch into the first stitch. For round 8 and round 9 we're going to make one chain, and then we'll put one single crochet into each of this stitch. So at the end of both the rounds we're going to have 28 stitches in total. Once you complete round 9, make slip stitch into the first stitch. To start round 10, I'm going to make one chain. Then we'll make 2 single crochets. Then we're going to make a decrease. To make a decrease, I'm going to insert my hook into the front loop of the next stitch and then into the front loop of the next stitch. Then yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Again make 2 single crochets. And then one decrease. Once you complete the round, make slip stitch into the first stitch. For 11th round, make one chain, then make one single crochet, and then make a decrease. Into the next stitch, make one single crochet, then one decrease. After completing the round, remove the marker and make slip stitch. Then we are going to do the stuffing. For round 12, I'm going to make one chain, and then in this round we are going to make decreases. Then remove the marker and make slip stitch into the first stitch. Then we'll cut the long tail. Then using the yarning needle, we'll close this space. We're going to add the seeds to the strawberry. I'm going to use this beige color yarn. I'm going to insert my needle from the top of the strawberry, and we're going to go. Here we're going to tie 2 knots. and then we'll cut the yarn. Now we're going to make petals for the strawberry. We're going to start with a magic ring. Into the ring we'll make 10 single crochets. Then pull the tail and close the ring. Make slip stitch into the first stitch. Make one chain, and then we're going to put one single crochet into each of the stitch. Then remove the marker and make slip stitch into the first stitch. Then I'm going to make 5 chains. And then we're going to skip first chain, and into the second chain make one single crochet. Into the next chain make one half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into third chain, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all the loops on your hook. Into the next chain make one double crochet, insert your hook into the ring, pull up a loop, you have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. Into the last chain make one more double crochet, then we're going to skip the next stitch, and then into this one we're going to make slip stitch. Like this, make total of 5 petals. Then into the last stitch we'll make slip stitch. Then chain 1, and then we're going to cut the yarn a little longer. Now we're going to attach the petals to the strawberry. Now we're going to attach keyring to the strawberry. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching the video.